Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a table in HTML. First, go to w3schools.com/try it. We will use this as an editor for HTML. Now delete all this. Now we're going to type some basic tags. If you don't know some of these tags, please watch the first video I made on the basic tags of HTML. So first we type the HTML tag. This shows that all the code here is of HTML. Next, we type heading tag. Here, if we type this in Notepad, the name of the file will be shown here. So if you want the file to be table, then type the title tag. And then to close it, type the same tag but with a slash in front of it. Next, you can close the heading tag since there's nothing else that has to be in the heading. Now we'll start the table. First, you type the table tag. Then you type the t-body tag, table body. I like to do mine indented so it looks better. Okay, next we type the tr to signify new row. Next we type td for table data. Now we type what we want to be in it. So next we'll say vehicles can be one of them. And since this will be the title of like the column, we will make it bold with the B tag. Now we close it, both of them. And now we can run it. Vehicles will come here. To make another column, we do another TD. And here we could say what they go on. We'll make this bold too since this will be the title of the second column. As you can see, this goes there. So our first vehicle can be cars. But now we have to make a new row since it has to be under this. So we now close this row by doing /tr. Wait, first we have to close this table data. Now we close the row. And now we make a new row. And now we type maybe cars. Now no bold since this will be like the actual info. Cars. Now we close it. And then we'll do another one for like what they go on. So we'll put land. Because cars go on land. Okay, now we close the table data. Now we make a new row. But first we have to end this row with the slash tag. Now we make a new row because TR stands for table row. Next we can do maybe boats. So we make a new table data. Then we type boats. Then we do /td to end it. And then we can write water. So we make a new table data. And type water. Okay, now let's run it. As you can see, they come here. So vehicles are cars and boats and what they go on land and water. So this is how to make a table in HTML. I hope you like this tutorial and bye bye.